Hi everyone, it's Laura the Quarantine Gardener, and just showing you one of the no-mow areas here at NUIG. And at the moment what we've got is all of the dandelions going to seed, as you can see there. The dandelion cocks that we love playing with as children, and some buttercup species. And then of course we have here lady smock, and as you can see, beautiful love lady smock. So that'll be in flower from April till about June, I guess. And there you'll see it on that lovely delicate long stem, and very narrow leaflets there, and so it comes in pale pink and white, and it really is a beauty. So I'll come back later in the year. This area later in the year is covered in some of the native grasses as well, which are purple in hue, and it really makes it feel lovely with the later flowering wildflowers. And I know, yes, there are issues with maintenance if you don't have access to like a zero grazer, is the machine that's used here, or livestock, like if you're in an urban area. But it still could, you could have your patch and allow it to go wild and just trim it at the end of the season and rake off the clippings in September. That's really what's needed. And of course, if you add yellow rattle seed into your mix, it'll reduce the grass growth and encourage the wildflowers. There's a lovely mix here. They're the main ones that are in colour at the moment. I'll come back later in the season. Okay everyone, happy gardening.